Oh, we love mistakes. Mistakes are opportunities to think creatively. They're important when you're learning anything, and it's the most important thing is not to beat yourself up. So we break open the champagne and chocolates when anyone makes a mistake, because it's important to shake up those old beliefs that mistakes are really bad and you need to go and stand in the corner. And even your top line woodworkers will say, oh, I made a mistake today, or oh my gosh, I was in the workshop and this happened. It gives you the opportunity to think creatively. It gives you the opportunity to slow down, to get back into your body. Where was your head when you made that mistake? So these skills you can take into your everyday life. The ones you learn at Woodwork are far-reaching into the rest of your life.